Are you planning a fire alarm installation, an upgrade, or retrofit that needs to be done right the first time? Because in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can partner with us to get what we call the perfect fire alarm install. A system that's custom designed, inspection ready, and code compliant from day one. We've helped property managers, contractors, and building owners avoid costly delays, violations, and failed inspections while delivering clean, code compliant installs that pass the first time every time. So let's be real. Most fire alarm installations go sideways because people out there just guessing. What system do I need? Will it pass inspection? Or do I need to file with the local authorities? If any of this sounds familiar, it's not your fault. The truth is, the industry can be confusing if you don't have the right partner or the right plan. That's why we've created the perfect fire alarm install, a done-for-you solution to save you time, stress, and money. So here's how it works. Step 1, we conduct a free site survey so we can analyze and build a basic fire alarm design. Step 2, we handle all the permits and filing fees. Step 3, our certified team install your fire alarm system. Step 4, we pre-test everything and connect it to your central station. And step 5, we request the final inspection so we can get your system approved the first time. And this process worked. This is the same exact system we use to install the perfect fire alarm system in New York City and in Rockland County. And we would love to do the same for you. So if you're ready to get a fire alarm system that is built to pass, click the link below and schedule your free consultation. We will review your project, answer your questions, and give you a clear, actionable plan so you can move forward. And this is only for people who's ready to get their installation done right the first time. They're focused on safety and compliance, and they're looking for a partner they can trust. So book your free site survey today. I'm Anthony Richardson. Let's build something safe, smart, and 100% compliant together. I look forward to speaking to you.